how you run a gift issuance through EPOSNow. On the right side of the Products tab, you're going to go and press the Gift Card Stash Factor 4 button, where it'll pop up and you'll select Gift Issuance. Now you enter in the card number, the PIN, and the amount going onto that card. Press OK. You'll be prompted to print a receipt. You could either hit print or cancel. Then you're brought to this screen where you're able to go ahead and pay for that gift card. So you're going to press the pay button at the bottom right corner, enter in the amount that was issued onto the card, and you can pay by cash card, Amex, or gift voucher. For this test, I will be pressing cash. Once complete, you'll get another receipt prompt, and you can go ahead and print or cancel that receipt. And that is how you run a gift issuance through EPOSNow.